To access the quiz, you need to access this website and click here, the quiz. This quiz, you can use it in few use cases. The first use case is you want to check your knowledge after you're completing a course. For example, suppose you're learning JavaScript, you completed a course and you want to test your knowledge, so you can use this quiz app. If you want to prepare for LinkedIn skill assessment, if you want to earn a badge in JavaScript or node.js or SQL, then you can use the quiz, solve the quiz and see how well you will do the LinkedIn skill assessment. And if you want to prepare for a technical job interview, if you have a React interview and you want to prepare yourself for technical questions, you can take the quiz. Currently, I'm supporting quiz subjects in area of React, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and Go, but very soon I will support many more. Okay, let's start the quiz. So here you have the quiz subject, and you can choose the quiz size. And you see that I have many more, but currently I'm supporting, as I said, Go, MySQL, PHP, React, and this is it. And I can start and choose the quiz size. Minimal is 10 questions, so I can start the quiz. And I have here a watch, and I can do the quiz. Suppose I'm choosing everything. Of course, I will not be wrong. I will not be correct in this case. But I've answered 10 questions and finished quiz. And this is my time. And you can see the question that I was correct. Here I was wrong. Here I was correct. And this is it. If I want to solve a bigger quiz, so I can solve this quiz. If I want to solve all the questions, I have here almost 120 questions, and I can also choose another subject. For example, I can choose MySQL, and I can choose again minimal, so I will have 10 questions. Okay, so I can choose it, and you see that it supports also the images. So this is the quiz, and currently, as I said, I'm supporting only 5 subjects, but there are many more, like C++ and C programming, C#, CSS, Django, Git, front-end development, jQuery, MATLAB, machine learning, MongoDB, MySQL, node.js, Python, Spring, Unity. There are many quizzes here, and I will support them very soon. And it is important for me to say that I did not invent this answer and questions. I'm using an open source on GitHub with all the quizzes. But if you look at the quiz, for example, CSS, you will see that it is not in the form of a quiz, because it gives you the answer right away, and you want to know what you want to solve the quiz and to know your ability. So if you see the answer up front, how can you check your ability? And it also does not give you the time. So the application that I did is a wrapper around this source, and it can help you evaluate your technical skills. Thank you.